For the 2022 model year, Hyundai introduces the fourth-generation version of its best-selling crossover SUV, the Tucson. A 3.4-inch wheelbase stretch and an added half-foot of overall length puts the 2022 Hyundai Tucson solidly in compact SUV territory. Rivals include the Honda CR-V, Nissan Rogue, and Toyota RAV4. The 2022 Hyundai Tucson gets an expanded lineup consisting of a gas-powered base SE, volume-leading SEL, new sport-trimmed inline, and range-topping limited, all available with a choice of front or all-wheel drive. New for 2022 is a gas-electric hybrid version of the Tucson, available in blue, SEL, and limited trim. All 2022 Tucson Hybrid models come standard with AWD. Later in the model year, Hyundai will also add a plug-in hybrid with a projected 32 miles of electric-only range to the Tucson stable. All versions of the larger, roomier, new generation 2022 Tucson SUV seat 5 passengers and offer increased cargo space. Hyundai turned up the new Tucsons design wick as well, giving it a swoopier shape with dramatically creased sheet metal. Previewed by the Vision T concept at the 2019 LA Auto Show, the 2022 Hyundai Tucson sports a daring new design that seems destined to shake up the compact SUV marketplace. The entry-level Tucson is powered by a more conventional 2.5-liter four-cylinder gasoline engine shared with the Sonata family sedan, but a hybrid and a plug-in hybrid will be offered, both using a turbocharged 1.6-liter four-cylinder augmented by an electric motor. All models are fairly well equipped and the Tucson is among the most stylish options in the segment. The new Tucson sports a simplistic but modern dashboard design with a digital gauge display, a push-button shifter, and touch-sensitive control panel for the climate control system and infotainment. Hyundai's flagship Palisade SUV and the brand's recently redesigned Sonata and Elantra sedans have served as a sort of watershed moment for the company's interior designs, and the new Tucson looks to continue the trend with a thoughtfully arranged interior filled with quality materials and luxury features. The 2022 Tucson's rear seat space and cargo area are both larger than the outgoing model, providing more passenger comfort and practicality. The new Tucson aims to be the most high-tech small SUV on the market. A standard 8-inch touchscreen packs wireless capabilities for both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone integration. A snappy and responsive 10.25-inch screen is available on upper trim levels. And to free up purse or pocket space, the Tucson allows you to use your phone as a key. This feature, however, only works with Android phones equipped with near-field communication technology. The Tucson comes standard with several advanced driving aids, including lane keeping assist, lane centering assist, and forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking and pedestrian detection. The available blind spot monitor can now tap the brakes if you start to enter a lane occupied by another car. It also now features a blind spot camera when you flick the turn signal, and the system can stop the Tucson if a car or pedestrian is crossing your path while in reverse. Adaptive cruise control, a 360-degree parking camera system and automated remote parking, Hyundai's Smart Park feature, are available in upper trims. The limited trim we drove had everything, and the tech worked seamlessly. Prices for the front-wheel drive gas-powered Hyundai Tucson range from $24,950 for the base SE to $34,700 for the range-topping Limited. All-wheel drive is a $1,400 upcharge for non-hybrid Tucson SUVs. The gas-electric Tucson lineup spans between $29,050 for the entry-level Blue HEV to $37,350 for top-of-the-line Limited HEV. All Tucson hybrids are equipped with AWD.